Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem to find the missing numbers here and here and here and here. This number multiplied this is equal to 15. This number plus this is equal to 12. This number plus this is equal to 3. This number minus this is equal to 5. Solution. From the figure, let this number be A, this number be B, this number be C, and this number be D. So if we have A times B is equal to 15, and B plus D is equal to 12, A plus C is equal to 3, and C minus D is equal to 5. So this is equal to, here we can find the value of A. A is equal to 15 over B. Here it is B plus D equal to 12. A plus C equal 3, and C minus D equal to 5. Let this be equation 1, this be equation 2, this be equation 3, and this be equation 4. So let us put equation 1, let it put equation 1 into equation 2. B plus into equation 3, so into equation 3. So A is equal to, A plus C is equal to 3. So A is equal to 15 over B. So 15 over B plus C is equal to 3. So find C. C is equal to 3 minus 15 over B. Let this be equation 5. And then let's put 5, equation 5 into equation 4. Equation 4 is C minus D is equal to 5. So it is C, it is 3 minus 15 over B, which is equal to 5. Sorry, it is 3 minus 15 over B, then minus D is equal to 5. So it is, we put this D in the light and the 5 in this side. 3 minus 15 over B, then minus 5 is equal to D. 3 minus 5 is equal minus 2. So minus 2 minus 15 over B is equal to D. This is the same as D, which is equal to minus 2 minus 15 over B. This is equation 6. Then equation 6, it is D. Let's put equation 6 into equation 2. Let's put equation 6 into equation 2. Equation 2 is B plus D, which is equal to 12. B plus D, which is equal to 12. And D is equal to this one. So B plus minus 2 minus 15 over B is equal to 12. So b minus 2 minus 15 over b is equal to 12. So continue here. B minus 15 over b is equal to 12 plus 2. So we put in the common denominator b. This is over 1. B over 1 is equal to b times b. It is b square minus b over b equal to 1 minus 15 is equal to 14. So we cross multiply. B square minus 15 is equal to 14 times b. So it is b square minus 14 b minus 15 is equal to 0. So we have quadratic equation. Here can you say this b plus b minus 15 b minus 15 is equal to 0. This is the same as minus 14b. So this is b. We put this together. B plus 1 and minus 15. So it is b plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is b plus 1. B plus 1 is in common. Remain b minus 15, which is equal to 0. Here we have b plus 1, which is equal to 0, and b minus 15, which is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 1, and here b is equal to 15. Here we have two solutions of b. And then case 1. First case, if b is equal to negative 1. If b is equal to negative 1, a is equal to 15 over b, which is equal to 15 over negative 1. A is equal to negative 15. And then c is equal to 3 minus 15 over b. So it is c 3 minus 15 over minus 1. C is equal to 3, then plus 15. C is equal to 18. And D is equal to what? And D is equal to negative 2, negative 15 over B. So D is equal to negative 2, negative 15 over minus 1. D is equal to negative 2 plus 15. So D is equal to 13. These are the value of D, C, A, and B. So the second case, if B is equal to 15, A is equal to 15 over B, which is equal to 15 over 15, which is equal to 1. Here A is equal to 1. And C is equal to 3 minus 15 over B, it is 3 minus 15 over 15. This is 3 minus 1. So C is equal to 2. And D it is equal to -2, -15 over B, which is equal to -2, -15 over 15. This is -2, -1. So D is equal to -3. These are the values of D. So case 1, for this case 1, if we have like this times this one and this one minus this plus, this is plus, A here is -15, B is -1. This is equal to -15 times -1 is equal to 15. C is equal to 18. -15 plus 18 is equal to 3. And D is equal to 14. 18 minus 14 is equal to 5. Here it is -1 plus 14 is equal to 12, which is 15, 5, 3 and 12, the same. And for this second case, if A is equal to 1 times B is equal to 15, and C is equal to, and D is equal to -3. 1 times 15 is equal to 15. 15 plus -3, it is 15 -3, which is equal to 12. 2 -3, this is 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. These are the solutions of the missing numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.